Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Files, and the title of the video is Police Surprised Man Shoplifting Ends Badly. Man, people always stealing nowadays, man. You know how that go. Let's get into it, man. Let's see what they talking about.
Here are 2 reasons why trying to fight police are never the answers to your problems. Here are 2 reasons why trying to fight police are never the answers to your problems.
923. Show me how it's going. You know what I'm saying? Are you serious? Go in there and look in there, bro. Do your job. What's your name, man? I ain't giving you my name, sir, because you're saying like you can go check in there. Put the chicken down. Put the chicken down. Put the chicken down. Put the chicken down.
Listen, man. Come on, man. Listen. As a fellow brother, man, you can't. Come on now. We'll comply with a lot of things, but man, come on. You telling us to put the chicken down, man? Come on, man. That's wrong. That's dead wrong, man. That's wrong. You can't. Come on now. Put the chicken down and don't let it be fried. Nah, I'm just playing. Let's get back into it, man. Let's tap in, man. But you see the look on my boy's face, man. You see what he said, put the chicken down.
What's your name, man? I ain't giving you my name, sir, because you're saying like you can go check in there. Put the chicken down. Put the chicken down. Put the chicken down. Put the chicken down, man. Put the chicken down. Okay. Put the chicken down. Drop the chicken. Sir, you can let go of me. Okay. Put your hand behind your back.
Hey, it gets serious with that chicken now.
Who the fuck is resisting, yo? Wait, hold on, bro. Put your hand behind your back. Did you? Put your hand behind your back. I'm not. Put your hand behind your back. Bro, you got me f***ed up. What the fuck you mean, man? What you mean? Dude, put it out. You know what I'm saying? Fuck you, bitch. 92327. Fuck out of here.
Oh, my boy about to get hit with that act right. Oh, man.
Get back, man.
He about to get hit with that act right, boy.
Black male, southbound Rosemary, northbound Rosemary. Get back here, man.
Man, if you don't run down and hit him with that taser, what's going on, man? Aw, he followed him the whole way.
Get back here, man. Nah, nigga, you illegally arrested. Come on, man. You illegally trying to arrest me, mother. Fuck you mean? Why ain't still shit, bro? Yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? Dude just got there and walked out the store. Ain't even shit. You know what I'm saying? Wait. Dude just walked up to me, bro. Listen. Put your hands behind. You know what I'm saying? Talk to me, bro. Bro, get off me, bro, because you ain't got no bro. Let's find out what's going on. Bro, find out what's going on then first, bro. Find out what's going on. You already pulled away, man. We got to detain you now. We got to detain you. Listen to me. You know me. Yeah, we got to detain you. But bro, he ain't got no right to be touching me, though. You ain't got no right to be touching me, though, bro. Listen, man, I talked to staff. They say you ain't paying nothing. I came to you, put you in no, you didn't, bro. You pulled away from me. You ain't talking to staff, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. You a mother lie. You did this wrong, though. Come on. You a fucking lie. What you did was wrong. You threw the beer at me, you threw your cup at me, and now you pulled away. I got bro. Bro, you ain't talking right now you detained, bro. Beer at him? No, I ain't throw no beer at him, bro. Bro, listen, hold on. You got to, bro, you got me this whole line.
He was charged with resisting an officer without violence, petty theft, battery, and aggravated assault.
Sit down there, you're gonna take you. Hey, listen, fuck you. Hey, you guys, what's up?
Can we talk to you outside once your daughter gets inside?
6150, your 6103 to 80.
Oh, we'd like to talk to you first. We want to talk to you. We just want to make sure, you know, the kids aren't going to run around and stuff. That's why we want you to close the door.
Look, yeah, you're gonna get arrested. All right, that's the thing. All right, so Manatee has charges on you. All right, so either you go back to the house and we get a search warrant, we come in and take you out of your house. For what? You come out right now. It's for burglary. All right.
For burglary.
Yes. I'm telling you what it is.
I picked up my children.
Understand?
honestly, I like that officer. You know, because a lot of times guys be liking to sugarcoat it or whatever, but at the end of the day, look, yeah, you're going to get locked up, man. You go back inside, we're going to get you out of there. You know what I'm saying? Or you can come walk out like a man, man. It is what it is. We ain't about to sugarcoat nothing. We ain't about to play games with you. Listen, these are your two options. Go back inside and we come drag you out, or you come with us right now, but we wanted the kids to be inside so that way they don't see you going away in cuffs. You know what I'm saying? Trying to be respectful. I like how that officer handled that, man. The one with the body cam that we actually watching right now, he like, you know, let's see. Listen, you gonna get locked up, man. That's what it is, bro.
I understand, but I'm being 100% honest with you. I'm not trying to pull any wool over your eyes. So those are really your two options right now. Either you come outside, or we're going to get a warrant on your house. We've already got officers in the back of your house. You're not going anywhere. And we're going to come in your house with your kids and have them see all that.
For what?
I
have my children here with me. I picked up my children. But I steal.
Hey,
it's not.
This is what matters.
You have to steal in order to commit a burglary. You have to trespass with the intent to commit another crime therein.
So because I stepped in her door.
You can talk to. So it sounds like you already know what I'm talking about.
I stepped in her door. I'm getting charged with burglary.
Listen. You have the charges. It's through Manatee County, not through us. Right now, we need you to step away from the door so we can talk to you. Therefore, there'll be no further charges.
Y'all gonna arrest me for burglary?
Yes.
You just said it.
Step away from the door. Right now, you have no charges to the city of Sarasota.
Okay.
However, if you interfere with this arrest, there will be additional charges placed. Right now, it's basic charges. But if you come with us, that's all.
How y'all just gonna fucking charge me with some shit?
It's not us charging you. It's Manatee County.
It's Manatee County, all right? About a minute ago. No, I'm being straight up honest with you, alright?
Alright. Well, I'm gonna get my shoes and my shit.
No.
Oh yeah.
No. You're gonna step out and we can get anything you need.
I'm telling you if you want my cooperation, I'm gonna go get my shoes and I'm gonna get my shit, and then we can go downtown and handle this.
You can sit right there and I can bring you your shoes.
I don't need you to do that for me. I'm gonna go in and get my shoes.
Okay. Like I said, right now there's no additional charges from the city. But if you go back inside, there will be additional charges, all right? Do you understand?
What charges?
You're going to charge you with obstruction because he's already told you to be in place under arrest.
Well, I'm telling you what I'm doing.
All right, you go inside. Here's our issue with you going inside, right?
You think I'm going to get a and shoot you because you want to charge me with burglary?
I don't know you.
Because that wants to start fucking problems.
In addition, the main reason we want to go inside is because we don't want your kids involved when they're inside.
Do not go back. Don't go back.
Do not go inside.
Don't go inside.
Do not step foot outside that house.
Don't do it.
Don't do what?
Do not take a step away from the door.
I'm waiting on my fucking shoes.
All right.
One step.
I'm outside, bro. I don't got to do none of that. Y'all go get a warrant and come pull me out this if that's what y'all want to do. And keep talking shit. Shoot me with a fucking taser? That's here. You got my wallet, bro? I went and picked up the kids and Morgan was running her fucking mouth and I stepped in her house talking shit to her, back to her, and they want to charge me with a burglary. Back up.
Sit down.
Sit down, man.
Back up, man.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Take a seat.
Sit down or you're going to tase me?
Sit down or I'm going to tase you. Hey, listen. Sit down or I'm going to tase you. Pal, give me one last chance, dude.
Oh,
I'm away from the house.
I'm putting my shoes on.
You're not doing it the way I told you to.
I don't need you. You're not my fucking mama.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to, don't you?
Hey, hold on a second.
You want to, don't you, boy?
All right, your shoes are on.
Yeah, you want this, don't you? Ooh, the big man with the taser.
Here, I'll put it away.
Oh, no, you got all these guys in your beds. No, what?
What do you got?
I got my shoes on.
All right.
Hey,
Man, fuck you,
listen. You're white.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that officer, he's pretty unprofessional. The one that's with the taser and all this other stuff. I mean, I get it. You know, the guy in the red, he is kind of a dink, you know, but the officer is like kind of egging it on a little bit. Like, it's just like, you know, I don't know. Maybe he is itching for it to go south, but I don't like the. Yeah, I think he could be a little bit more professional.
No. Fuck you, bro. Get the fuck out of here.
Just come on.
Dude, this is bullshit. I went and picked up my children, and the bitch talking shit. I stepped foot in the fucking house, and y'all gonna charge me with some fucking burglary? Like I did something fucking wrong?
Manatee County's calling us.
I ain't touched the bitch. I ain't do fucking nothing.
Nobody's charging you here with anything.
You said you charged me with burglary.
Manatee County's charging you. They have probable cause.
For what?
Right now, we don't have any additional charges on you. We need you to step away from the door. All right?
I mean, this is an official
Keep
investigation.
smiling, boy. You ain't shit.
All right.
All right, smile over here. Look at the double cuffs. You got problems with your wrist?
No.
Right.
I got a torn tendon.
Yeah, we're gonna get another pair of cuffs. All right, buddy.
Don't fucking touch me. You get the fuck away from me. And you ever?
Hey, hold on.
Yeah, I said don't fucking touch me.
What you said? Hey, listen, don't make any work. Hey, listen. All right. All right.
Don't fucking touch me. You get the fuck away from me. And you ever?
Hey, hold on.
Yeah, I said don't fucking touch me.
Yep, that's what I mean. This is honestly, oh man, the supervisor. This is a tough one. Okay, in my opinion, if I was the supervisor, the guy for the most part, yeah, he's kind of, you know, he's taking his sweet time and, you know, he's doing it on his own pace. But if you don't want a confrontation, I mean, I would have kept the other officer that's kind of egging him on just on standby. You know, if he gets a little rowdy, you know, sure. But you got the other two, I think it was like 2 or 3 officers there that were trying to cuff him, you know, they was gonna do the double cuffs and stuff like that because he's a bigger guy. And there was no need for the other officer that's egging him on to come around and grab his wrist. You know, I'm like, you making the issue bigger than what it has to be. Like, I get it. Yeah, the officer could do what he wants, this and that, but clearly there's some like tension and stuff like that between those two. So if I was the supervisor, I would have just had him, you know, I would have tell him, you know, keep him on standby, you know what I mean? Just in case if he gets froggy, you know, but for the most part, he didn't mind getting cuffed. You know what I'm saying? He walked up, you know, he put his hands behind his back, you know, he didn't mind getting cuffed, man. So I think this was really unnecessary by the other officer. He just kind of wanted to exert like his authority in a way.
Yeah, we're gonna get another pair of cuffs. All right, buddy.
Don't fucking touch me. You get the fuck away from me. And you ever?
Hey, hold on.
Yeah, I said don't fucking touch me.
What you said? Hey, listen, don't make any work. Hey, listen. All right. All right. All right. All right. You're gonna all right, come on.
I told you to keep your fucking hands off me.
Hey, listen, give me your arm. Get up your arm. You want to stop resisting? Give me your arm.
Unnecessary. This whole thing.
I was just in there doing a job. Told you to keep your fucking hands off me. Fuck you. Keep looking at me like that, boy. Yeah. You know where I live. Come by when you off duty. Punk. Told you don't touch me. I was good with these guys doing what they're doing. You want to slide in and make problems. Yeah.
Exactly what I said.
Smiling. Keep smiling, boy.
All right, all right.
You hot. Still ain't doing shit.
Let's break those.
I blame that on the
I
supervisor.
was fine with y'all doing what you're doing.
Stop.
He had no reason to do that.
I don't know yet. I haven't started counting yet. Let's get him going. We've got to call Manatee County, let him know, and then get going.
He was charged with resisting an officer without violence.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.